Hi aviation friends, welcome at the airport of Edinburgh, and I'm sorry if I mispronounced that. I just can't get it right. This is, I guess, the Dutch way of saying it. This is the huge ATC tower, which looks like the old UEFA Cup football trophy, or maybe even an hourglass. This evening I'm flying home to Amsterdam Schiphol with Easyjet. Here comes the 14-year-old Airbus A319, which will operate this flight. This will be my second flight on this very plane. I flew on it from Amsterdam to Liverpool back in 2016. The plane was registered G-EZFC back then. This is the view from seat 15A. There is a Transavia Boeing 737-800, which just arrived from my hometown Rotterdam.
Gazi. Of course, we're here for your safety, but also for your comfort. So
a lot of reflections on the window as we are pushed back, and the two CFM International 56-5B engines are started.
A319, and your attention for this is highly appreciated. After this, you can sit back, relax, and enjoy the flight. We will now take you through the safety features of this Airbus A319. Please pay attention to illuminated signs and crew instructions, including the following safety procedures. The safety card found in your seat top pocket contains important information about exit routes, oxygen masks, life jackets, and the brace position that you must adopt if you hear brace, brace. There are 8 emergency exits on this aircraft. Please.
It's already very dark as we arrive at runway 06 for takeoff.
passengers, please keep your seatbelt fastened while the seatbelt sign is on. For safety and comfort, we recommend to keep your seatbelt fastened whenever you're seated. Please be careful opening your overhead lockers in case anything falls out. Toilets are located at each end of the cabin, all of them are filled with smoke detectors. Smoking is of course not permitted at any time during the flight, and this also includes cigarettes and vapes. In a few moments we will join in the cabin for our eat and drink service. We have a selection of hot drinks, soft drinks, spirits, wines, beers, and sweet and savory snacks. For the full deals, all the deals and other items, please have a look in the brochure. The seat will be in front of you. On the other side of the brochure you will find our shop. We have products like skincare, cosmetics, gadgets, fragrances and much more. We're happy to inform you we can offer you a 20% discount of all the items mentioned in the brochure. If you want to know more about the products or you want to know the new pricing, then please ask us during the eat and drink service. Also on today's flight we sell cigarettes. We have Marlboro Gold, Marlboro Red. If you want to purchase cigarettes, then please ask us during the eat and drink service. For now, have a good flight.
During the flight there was not a lot to see, so I can fast forward a bit to the approach into Schiphol Airport. Here we are lined up with runway 18 right, also known as the Polderbaan. That was a nice landing, marking the end of my trip to Scotland. This trip I did together with my friends Lars and Marieke from LaMa Aviation. You really need to check out their amazing aviation content. They have a website with a blog, a YouTube channel and Instagram.
British outdoors for arrival.
Thanks a lot for watching this video, and as always, have a great day.